Hey guys, this is Rami and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm doing my very first Club Factory haul for you guys, since you've been requesting for a very long time, and I know you've been requesting for different websites as well. I'll do that as well. Don't worry, I've got the products. I'll do that for you very soon. Today's haul is gonna be Club Factory haul because it's my very first, so I'm very excited about it. And I've got this huge packet right here. So I've got a lot different kind of stuff. So some are jewelry, some are bags, some are footwear, some are something else. So yeah, I'll show you all. Guys, before we jump into the products, I want to tell you guys that you guys can get 500 rupees off coupon by using my code that is right over here on the screen. You can use this code to get 500 off for your next order. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started. So let's just start with the accessory stuff. So the first product that I have from the accessory is the phone cover, and this is a marble phone cover, and it's in a like hard case. It's not a silicone case. It's a very hard case, and this one has its already joined already attached ring with it, which acts as a pop socket, and it helps you in holding the phone very nicely, and it stays really sturdy as well. It's quite sturdy as well, as you guys can see. And this one had one other color that was in black, but I like pink more, so yeah, I got this one. Second accessory is this cover, and it's really cute, and the best thing is that this one has this coverage at the front, which is gonna cover your phone from all the sides properly. And because this is made of silicone rubber, this is gonna protect your phone from when if by chance it falls, it's gonna prevent it from the shock that the falling gives to the phone's screen and everything. So yeah, that's what it does. So this is a mouth mask. The last one is a mouth mask, and this is something that I've been planning to get for a very long time, because of the fact that this is a very nice and a sturdy cloth mask. And the best thing is that I know I got a bit of a funky mask. I could have gotten a plain one, but well, because especially I get sick very often, and especially I get cold and cough and cold and other infections pretty quickly. So that's why I got this one. And this is something like this. At the back it has this white cloth, and at the front adds this one, and this one also has this this smiley creepy smile up here. And I'm not gonna wear it right now because I have makeup on, but I can show you guys this is how it looks. Now I'm gonna jump on to the bags. First one, that is this one. It's a big pink handbag, shoulder bag. You can call it any bag, but yeah, this is how the bag looks like. The quality is amazing, guys. If you want to gift your mom something like this, I would suggest you guys to do that, because this one has a really nice quality. It's so good, and I really didn't expect this much quality from from a Chinese website, but they did not disappoint me at all. The inside piece has this clothing, the fabric coating inside, which is also good. This one also has this strap going on, so you can hang it, like you can carry it on your shoulder, or you can just carry it like this, whatever your choice is. This one was not attached previously. They provide you with this. If you want to attach this, you can attach the ring. If you don't want to attach it, you can remove it and keep it aside. Now this one was in a combo, so I got this one, and then I got the sling bag, which is something like this. And hold on, okay, this is I have to open it up. So yeah, this is how this one looks like. It's a pink bag, and again the quality is really nice, and the inside quality is also nice. We get a sling bag with a golden chain for it, but the thing that I noticed was this one was a little bit defected, but that's okay, because I'm not going to carry it around like this anyways. But this one is a little bit defected in the manufacturing process, because when you open it up it's all fine, but when you close it up, this one's ring is kind of misplaced, because of which this one looks a little bit sloppy like this. Just use it to carry my cash and phone whenever I'm going very close by, and for that it's just fine. And you can attach your chain through this ring that they provide you guys. That's here and here, and there you can attach the string. Next one that I got is this one, and now this one is a beautiful mint bag. Now this one was very decently priced as well, as far as I remember. Well, this one had also a lot of colors, and the best thing about this one is that they have chain as well as the button, and the space you get inside is quite huge. It's spacious, it's good, and then you get this strap as well to carry it as a sling bag. And yeah, that's that. You get about 2 pouches inside and 1 zipper inside as well, and you get a zipper at the back as well. Next one that I've got is this bag, and this is a bucket kind of bag because of the fact that this one has this ribbon to tie up so that you can close the bag like this, so that it closes like a bucket bag, and then you can remove open it as well very easily, not hard at all. But this one is not super spacious. It's just for a casual day out kind of bag. You can't carry a lot of stuff in this because it's a very small bag, and at the back it looks like this, and at the front it looks like this. They also had a lot of colors in this particular bag as well. The quality is a decent one. It was priced very decently as well. It was not super expensive at all, and this is a very cute bag, I would say. The bag that I got is this one. This one is particularly for the time when you go out with friends for a party or something and you don't want to carry a lot of stuff, just some cash and your cards and your phone and keys, and that's all. And for that, this bag is so cute. This bag has this extension work, accented work going on here, some ribbon work or some pearls attached here, and this looks super cute. And this one is also in a lot of colors available. So the one that I got is this beige color, and I really liked it because it's a very decent one, and you don't get a lot of space again. Also get this chain with this one. It's not and it's been already attached. I did not attach it myself. It was already attached to it, so yeah, you can't remove it as well if you even want to. One that I got is this little bag, and this one is also available in a lot of colors. The one that I liked was white, but then again I thought that white might get dirty very soon, like very fast, so I decided to go with this one. So this one is in black, and it has these ribbons like the bunny ears going on. But the thing was that in the photo it looked like it would stand like this, but actually it's not gonna stand. It's gonna stay like this. It does not have the strength to stand like that, and you'll get a decent amount of space in this as well. Again, not very spacious, but just for some casual outings. And yeah, that's that. You also get a tiny zipper inside as well to carry some coins. And it's not a very long bag as well. It's just a decent looking very medium length bag. And yeah, that's that. The last bag that I got is this one. It's very nice. The quality is really nice. It's sturdy. It's nicer than the black one because that one was a little bit filmy and well, very thin, but this one is a sturdy and a thick bag, and it's a very simple one. The thing that I don't like in this one is that this one has this this holding thing, which I'm not kind of fan of with very small bags, because it's not it doesn't make any sense to hold it like this, because if you get a sling like this, then you are not gonna hold it like this, like a some kind of purse, tiny purse. So yeah, the last two things that I have are footwears, and footwears never disappoint me when it comes to Club Factory. First footwear that I got are these. I've been looking for these for a very long time. It's a beautiful one. The one thing that again that I did not like in this heel is that it has this light brown skin color sole, which was actually not necessary. They could have given a black one, because then it won't show up from sides of your foot, but then other than that it's just fine. For the price, it's a really good heel. These heels, these are stilettos in a red, in proper red, and these are in suede fabric, and it's a beautiful heel. The only downside to these are that it's a little bit longer in size than I wanted, but I'm gonna stuff some cottons inside this thing, this part, and then it will be good to go. These are just beautiful. They are very comfortable as well, and with the cotton filling at the front, they will look just fab. And yeah, again, the heels are a little bit higher, but because these are pencil heels, I can handle them. But when it comes to block heels, it just for some reason it just pains my back a lot. That concludes my overall Club Factory haul. If you like any of these items, the links will be in the description box below for you guys to check them out, and also my invite code that is right over here, that is my coupon code for you guys. You can use this coupon code to get 500 off on your first order, and you'll get 500 off directly, and you can buy a lot of stuff from there. And yeah, all of these are done, and I hope you like this video, guys. If you want more such videos, make sure that you watch my Ramya Vasudev channel, where I'll be uploading a lot of hauls coming soon from Myntra, from Jabong and many other websites, and make sure that you hit subscribe over there as well, because that would mean a lot to me. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.